each package out. Do 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 do. And then we're gonna let's play some Spotify actually.
I am outside, and I've been waiting for the sun. And with my wide eyes, I've seen worlds that don't belong. My mouth is dry, with words I cannot verbalize. Tell me why we live like this. Keep me safe inside your arms like towers tower over me. Yeah, 'cause we are broken. What must we do to restore our innocence and all the promise
Now we can go to actually just sucks up.
again?
We went to the node mod.
Lock the doors, 'cause I'd like to capture this voice that came to me tonight.
So we can set up. Wow. How are we gonna do this? Lights. Tina talk. War. We live like this.
Keep me safe inside
Your arms like tower over me.
'Cause we are broken. What must we do to restore our innocence and all the promise we adored? Give us hope again.
Wait, so calling setup. Hold on. What happens? Oh, that's for Spotify. Who cares? Who cares? Okay, so if I also do set up chat, Tino code starts, and then that gets run. Do Twitch starts. Is Twitch online?
Tower over me.
Twitch.com. Tower over me. Sup TikTok? Sup TikTok? Anybody on? Oh yeah, cool. We're live on Twitch. We are live. Are we live on YouTube? Store our innocence. Okay, so let's go to YouTube Studio. Are we live on YouTube? OBS. You are live. Okay, so turn the music down a tiny tad. Hi, Tino. What AI coding agent are you using in VS Code to vibe code? I don't really vibe code, but I do have the extension, the Claude Code extension in VS Code. I use that for some stuff. So like if I'm, I guess, writing something repeatable that I don't really want to write over and over again, I will use Claude Code. But most of the things I write by hand. And in the house, oh, look at these old school songs. It's crazy. I love these songs, man. No, sir. Not anymore. It's your turn. Anyway, are we live? Yes, we are live. We're live on YouTube. Okay, so now I need to test the chat real quick. I need to automate this process because, I mean, this is as automated as it's gonna get, I guess. Okay, so all these things are sorted. So let's have a look at the chat. Oh, there we go. Yeah, so we have TikTok in the chat. That's what you get. Thank you. What are you building today? Well, I'm actually working right now. Like, I'm working on a client project, but I'm trying to set up like what you guys are gonna see because I can't show my work online, you know, obviously. But I'm trying to add chat into console so you can see your chat in here. So I'm just gonna test YouTube chat. Hello from YouTube land. Did that go through? No, YouTube didn't work. Oh wait, did it? No, it didn't. Oh, it's gonna be hard to work if it's commented out. Why? Ability, it's you do. That's what you get. There you go. Hello from YouTube land. Cool. Do you fuck with what Palantir? What the hell's Palantir? That's how much I don't fuck with Palantir. I don't know what it is. Software companies specializing in data integration and decision making. Cool. We build software that empowers organizations to effectively integrate their data, decisions, and I didn't get the last part. I don't really know. I mean, looks cool. Looks techy as hell. Nice. I mean, great landing page. Awesome landing page. I'm not sharing my screen at the moment, so you're probably just looking at code, but I'm actually browsing. Why do we like to have so much again? Why do we like to have so much? What you coding, bro? Marcus, sup, man? Just real quick, let me just test this thing. So we've got TikTok in the chat in the CLI. We've got YouTube in here as well. Oh, the thing is that they're not prefixed with YouTube and whatever, right? So the chat log is actually, oh, there we go, because TikTok's not actually going to be thing. TikTok. Get when you let your heart Oh, yep, cool. So we have our TikTok chat connected, and now we need our YouTube one connected. So look, what's up from YouTube City? Yo, we got what's up from YouTube City? That's cool. What's up, homie? What's up, Nova? Miss you, man. Have you built any AI agent recently? I guess it depends what you mean. What do you mean by AI agents? Like agent. What do you mean? To make it all. So let's test Twitch. Okay. So, hello from the islands of Twitch. So Twitch is there. Is Twitch in the chat? Twitch is in the chat. Nice. This time we're not giving up. Last forever. Her screaming hallelujah. Last forever. I have glitched TikTok username. I wonder if you make it display usernames, it will display weirdly. Wait, your thing is here somewhere. Wait, I have a glitch username. Here we go. There's your username. It does look glitched, eh? How's the freelance going? It's going pretty well. I love it, man. I'm so free. Like the ChatGPT UI is where you automate tasks. have I built one of those recently? I guess, yeah. I'm gonna say no. Yeah, I'm gonna say no. But like the core of that stuff, I'm, building that almost every day. Like the moving parts, like I don't necessarily create an agent to build stuff for me, because I can build stuff myself. You like it? Cool, eh? I built this. You're welcome. And look at supports emoji. Thanks. Thanks, encoding. Wait, this project right here, Brainy, this is the thing that I'm working on. I'm making some content around it. The company's lawyers are still dragging out our unionization. Oh, I haven't been following. Hallelujah. 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 Yo, Next.js. Yeah, Next.js. Should I study computer science with zero coding experience? Absolutely. That's how everyone starts, Everyone starts doing that. That's how you do it. That's how you start. That's how you start. Twitch, hey, nice. Come through. What is it? In Tai 1001. Sub Twitch. Sub from Twitch. Thanks for the follow. Not much to follow yet. Hopefully by Christmas we have our vote count. Nice. Hey, Nova, I don't know anything about unions, eh? Like, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know anything about unionizing. Quit my job and find another career. Man, I'm a big advocate for like switching up your life, because you're only living for so many years, and like why not crack it? Why not go for gold? That's how I'm like I'm always a try hard person, I'm like, what's the point in just like doing things half-assed, That's why I'm like high energy type. I mean, like, cause we can always go back to like chilling, you can always do that. But like, why not have a play? Why not go for gold and see how far you can get? Sorry, guys. I don't know what time it is in your land, but right now what's the time for me? Don't even know what time it is for me. It's 12:30 a.m. 12:30, so it's midnight, and I got a cheeky bowl of. Can anybody guess what this is? Does anybody know what this is? No. This is my first watch and bake. What? This is my yes, it's pineapples. You're right. How did you see that? If I saw it, doesn't even look like. Oh, no, I guess it does kind of. Yeah, it's a bowl of pineapple. So good luck. And they're from the fridge, so like they're so, Look at this. You see this piece of pineapple? This is quarter of one wedge, right? And you see my whole hand? That's how big I am. I love holding things and like so you can have the context of how massive of a human I am. You're like, wait, that's quarter of a pineapple? Looks like a grape in your fingers. Oh, true. EU unions, right. The most metal fruit. It eats you back here. It's got these crystal things, right? And it like cuts you as well. So many things there to learn. Yeah. I know there's so many things to learn. Oh, don't get me started on that. Because like me, I'm like greedy as fuck, right, man? I'm greedy when it comes to like learning stuff. Oh, Panic at the Disco. What is this playlist? I'm starting to dive into theory and structure. Oh, nice. Yeah, me too. I know. Are you talking about like system architecture and that? Okay, let's chill on Panic at the Disco. Eh? I mean, I like Panic at the Disco, but sometimes it's a bit too whiny for me. You know what I mean? You know what I mean, guys? Oh, don't get me started. Guys, I'm supposed to be working. Mm. Yo, thanks for liking the live. Run up the engagement because I'm about to drop some content. As like hipster douchey as that sounds, yeah, I'm gonna start pumping out more content around coding and that. Because as a freelancer type, you know, independent software developer, it'll be good to like build a community properly, you know. Wake me up inside. Wake me up, save me. Man, those notes though. Yeah, follow, like, and subscribe. Go to my Bros Living the Matrix. Yeah, man. I access the mainframe. Guys. What about a 5 Lancer? Nah, I'm not really into 5. You know, like so many people ask me about that. Like, can you code 5M servers? Like, I feel like I need to learn it now. You know? Were we just talking about whiny music? I know. But this one has nostalgia attached to it for me, anyway. I used to drive a Lancer 4. I don't know what that is. Yo, follow the live creator. Follow, like, and subscribe. And I hate that, man. That's one aspect. Okay, look, pause. That's one aspect about building a community that I just like. I don't know, cringe over. You know, because me, I just really, really, really want to zig a zig. No, I really want to build a community like authentically. You know what I mean? Like I don't want to design content around like I go like pulling the numbers in, you know. But like the issue with that, okay, is that when you want to be genuine, if you want to be, oh, we have to, eh? We have to. Hold up, hold up. Yeah, so you want to build a genuine audience, but also that when you start being genuine, you're not pulling numbers, you know? Especially if you're not like publicly consumable, you know? Get with me, gonna make you fair. You need sunnies to join, yeah. Yo, guys, if you want to join my community, you have to wear sunnies. You know why I'm wearing this? Can you play Broken by Evanescence? Yeah, okay, I can play that next. The reason why I'm wearing these is because, oh my days, like, I'm not a doctor, right? But I have eyes. Imagine that line. I'm not a doctor, right? But I have eyes. So my I've been working at a computer for years, and I stare at a screen so long, right? And obviously, there's probably like glasses out there that I can use, but the only things that work are these. They make me not cry at a computer. Like sometimes when I just wear my normal glasses, where are they? They're somewhere on my desk somewhere. But normal glasses, and I'm just watching the screen, I always start like tearing up. Like my eyes are like crying on my behalf. You know what I mean? Like my eyes are going, guy, man, you're gonna need to fix that. Like stop. Can you stop? Can you stop? You need that night light setting on the monitor. Yeah, I know, but like I also don't like that because as a web developer sometimes when I put my web dev hat on, which is what I'm doing now, I need to see the colors. I need to see what they really are, okay? I need to see everything. Anyway. Really wanna zig. Fuck man, this is gangster. I had blue light film on my glasses. I don't know if that helped. I had a different one coating for night glare, and that worked well. Yeah, man. You know the glasses industry. They just want to take your money. You know, sunglasses worked for me. But also these are prescription sunglasses, so imagine that. By the way, I'm supposed to be working. Okay. Do you have a Discord? Sure do. Now you know how I feel. Say you could handle my... Okay, if we want... Oh, man, because I started a new Discord. That's funny, yeah, like, every time I start new content pushing, I have a new Discord. But I will shell out my old Discord. It's not old, but, like, Discord. There you go. There you go, fam. Are you for real? I won't be hasty. I'll give you a try. If you really bug me, then I'll say goodbye. Oh, but that's for TikTok. Nobody's on Twitch. Okay, so we'll go tino.nz/Discord. Go there. Sup, Cavalier? Welcome back, Cavalier. I remember you. Welcome in. Welcome into the chat. What are we listening to? Guys, what are we listening to? I'm going to start a Spotify radio session for this song. Now this is programming music. Yo, what's up, man? I got your calendar invite. If you wanna be my lover. I'll reply to you via email. Probably tomorrow. Oof. This is a banger and a half. Don't even bot it again. Do you hear that? Like I came in too early. Oh, thanks, Alex, for the share. Guys, why aren't you being more like Alex? Why aren't you being more like Alex? Alex is sharing my live. You know? I'll tell you why. I'll tell you why you aren't sharing it, because you're embarrassed. You know? You don't want to tell your friends about me. That's why. You don't want your friends to know. You don't want your friends to know. You're like, I want to watch this, but I don't want anyone to know about it. Hey, I don't want to be a little secret, okay? Share me. Share me. Because Alex is on some. And I don't want me enemies to know our knowledge. Nice. You're my side stream. I'm your side stream. Your dirty little side stream. That's crazy. Who's your mainstream? Hold on, wait. Memory unlocked. In a village down the road, they had a Spice Girl cover band. Oh, yeah. And one of those class car standing bumper car things. Oh, right, yeah. Nice. Core memory unlocked. Yeah. Side stream. Side stream is crazy, man. That's good. Up your side stream? Yo. Yo, Nova, what are we? What are we? That's the next conversation. Hey, you know, we've been, you've been watching my streams for quite some time. What are we? Oh my days! I can have 2 families. Nice. Wait, we can send shiz to your terminal. Unreal. Yes, Katie. Yep, absolutely. Look at you, Katie. You're in the terminal. Yeah, so the reason why I did that is because I don't want to keep switching windows, I don't want to go to Twitch and then YouTube and then TikTok and then like have to manage that, and go, what are you guys saying? What are you guys saying? Right now my audience is mostly on TikTok, but yeah, I'm a cis white male. That's part of my culture, yeah? It's part of my core values. What? Multiple families. I am the one. It is not my son. I'm a 3rd-year software engineering student at University of W. University of W. University of W. My obvious is nice. Just landed a data analyst position, thinking of dropping out. Nice, that is really cool. Hey, congratulations, man. Waterloo? Oh yeah, maybe. University of Waterloo? That seems legit. But Rakai, who are you? I feel like you are from New Zealand. So is that Waikato? University of UOW. Yeah, University of Waikato. Yeah, bro, Waikato. Yeah, I don't know. 'Cause sometimes we get, all sorts of people in here. So UOW is quite, you know what I mean. Bro, this is some weird coding fever dream. Tomorrow I'll be hallucinating this is my own VS Code. Nice. Yeah, so it's an interesting thing about how much to hire you, bro. Yeah, we can talk. You can email me if you want. If you can't find my email address, maybe it's here. Tino.nz. You know you're expensive when they go email me, contact me. It's like, yo, put your prices on your page. Yeah, but I can't really do that, eh? So why? Just a bit of a, Oh, he's expensive. Now, if you think about it, I'm not that expensive. I am just a cost. I'm just a necessary cost to your project. Yeah, that's how I see it anyway. I mean, it's like going to like a mechanic, and they go, oh, how much do you cost? Oh, here's what happened. I'm a necessary cost. What is it? $100 an hour starting for me? Yeah. I used to be on that. But Nova Scotian, our dollar value is a bit different. Give me a rough estimate. Well, I mean, give you a rough estimate on what? Like you have to be a little bit more specific about what. Like, remember, I'm a person, and one, I don't charge hourly. Yeah, I charge by, I guess, deliverable. So you can probably say that it's like almost like a fixed price kind of deal, but you have to just give me an understanding of what exactly are you wanting me to build, because there's something like, yeah, $100 doesn't go far in Canada. Oh, right. Yeah, I mean, so I'm on New Zealand. I'm on that sweet New Zealand D. So 100 Canadian dollary, dudes. I can't even spell. To NZD. Oh, it's not too bad. App development. Hey, Nova Scotia, can you see that? It's funny. I was like, hey, be more specific. Okay, then app development. How much? Hey, so app development, right? How much is it? It's like, how long is a piece of string? You're like, this long, this wide. How much is that? This many. But I totally get you. I guess as a follow up to that, Mac, what does this app do? Since you got your degree and you know every fucking thing, who knows where that's from? Nova Scotian, you're on something else. Cavalier. This goes out. Shout out to Cavalier, man. This is for you, Cavalier. Hey, corned beef shared the live. Guys, why aren't you like corned beef? Corned beef is sharing the live, and you're not, because I'm your secret side stream. Hey. Jasmine's on it. Let's run the numbers, man. Let's run the numbers. I don't want no skirt. They're on a different note, you know? They're on a different note. I'm an octave lower. Try to holler at me. But they're up here. It wouldn't be exciting if others knew. Oh man, that's like the same with artists, you know? Like there's some music that I listen to that I'm like, I don't want anyone to know the song, you know? Can't eat corned beef because I have no gallbladder. What the hell? To hold flavor. Oh, that's why corned beef is awesome. What the hell's a gallbladder? I actually don't know. I mean, I've heard it being said. A gallbladder is a small pear-shaped organ located under the liver that stores and concentrates bile produced by the liver to help digest fats. What the hell? Show what's inside in right now. Try to holler at me. No one knows no love for me. Solid. Cat in. Hey, imagine if that command just worked. Cat.in. Submito. Maybe I should do that, eh? Like, should I build that? Why not? Did you go from coder to DJ? Yeah, G. Try to holler at me. Nah, I'm still a coder, man. This is the next product I'm building, guys. No love from me. Okay, what's next? What's next on the list? I was thinking maybe we should put it to a vote. What are you making? I'm actually supposed to be working. But what am I making now? This is what you're seeing on screen. This is a product I'm building called Brainy. If you want to have a look at it, I did push. Oh, and I can't connect to it now. Oh, that's unfortunate, Nova. You know what? Here's some music for you to keep you going. Since you're Yo, what's the crump battle? Is that us? Checking up on me. How old were you when this was released, guys? Go, drop the ages. How old you were when this was released? She's ready to blow. Watch her. Oh. She said, baby, let's go. Yeah. Probably 7. Nice. It was released in 2004. This thing I knew, bomb is screaming, yeah, yeah, yeah. 17. When it was blasted with subs in Club Joint. Oh, you're 6. Okay. In 2004, I was 7. Wait, 7. I was 11 years old. The song went off at the school disco. Yeah, G. You thought you were cool, eh? You thought you were cool. Baby. Well, you're 6 years older than me. You're 6 years older. That's not that old. What are you talking about? Like, we wouldn't hang out with, obviously, you know? I mean, imagine you hanging out with an 11-year-old. Right? That's crazy. Nova Scotia, stop doing that. Stop doing that, actually. Okay? Don't hang out with me when I'm 11. Hey? How about that? Nova Scotian, go find your own friends. I was 15. Oh, yeah. Questionable age gap. Oh, you know what? Age is just a number. So is a prison sentence, you know? A prison sentence, you know? The length of a prison sentence is also just a number. That's the society norm, yeah, I know. Love from Oz. Yo, man. You know what? Like from New Zealand. Platonic like from New Zealand. Nah. If you follow, like if I see a follow notification from you or a shared, then maybe love from Oz. Wow, transactional relationships, crazy. Nah, love from New Zealand. Fuck. This pineapple's juicy. Followed the live creator is crazy. Bullied into submission. Bullied into love. That's crazy. I'm already following. It's funny how you just follow me and then just unfollow me, right? It's like the notification came through. Don't worry. Okay, what's next on the list? Guys, I'm supposed to be working. What did I think was gonna happen when I started stream? You know, what did I think was gonna happen? What's the time actually? 12. It's 1 o'clock now. I'm supposed to be working, and I gave myself until 3 o'clock to work. But then I was like, I'm gonna put you guys on the side, right? But now I'm just too. What is it? What's wrong with me? What do? I guess I'm too. It's just too funny, you know, to talk. 1993. That's me. 1993. That's me. Take that, rewind it back. Lil John got the beat to make your booty go. Yeah. I just heard this recently, Nick. Oh, now this is gangsta. You're probably the coolest programmer I know. Nice. How many programs do you know? Let's be real. I'm the only one you know, eh? That's crazy. I don't feel special anymore. I don't feel special. -1. -1 what? To the song? Or, I love you, programmer. I love you too, Combi. Although, Combi, you've caused me a lot of health issues in my life. Combi, you're the reason. Any thoughts on Bitcoin? Yeah, that's alright. To the number of programs. Oh, right. Okay, let's see. This song is nice. I'm not sure if it's a programming song, but sorry, that was disgusting. It's this pineapple, man. I'm like swallowing pineapple. Thanks for the follow, guys. That's my life now. I'm a social media whore. I'm a social media slut right now. It's eating you back. Hey, yo, stop talking about eating my back, man. That's crazy. Stop talking about that, okay? It was a joke. I'm not your side stream. I'm not your side stream. Oh, crack up. Bitcoin. Bitcoin's interesting, eh? Because Bitcoin's a topic that I want to explore. Like, as a technology, awesome, right? But as like an investment plan or like a money making scheme, I'm not really into it. As a currency, pretty interesting, pretty cool, pretty telling of the human, condition, condition, and I mean money in general, right? Money, like what the hell? Who convinced me that this piece of plastic or piece of paper is worth something, right? We all did collectively. Same with Bitcoin, right? We've assigned value to it, and it's really cool. I mean, the mechanism of how we've convinced ourselves that value is being transferred for tangible assets, right? That's cool. But yeah, I'm just not part of that ecosystem, and I want to be though. I want to be, and I will play around with it soon. I mean, I have I I've created my wallet, but I'm very interested more in the tech side, right? So then when I'm diving into it, I'm gonna learn it from the beginning. I mean, I already started, like, I've created a joke type of blockchain in JavaScript. Oh my gosh, in JavaScript, and it's quite a nice, like, I guess data integrity, concept, and I think at an architecture level it's pretty cool, pretty neat. But actually using the, like, Bitcoin stuff and downloading the database is because right now it's a lot now, right? But it's really cool. And obviously from a money making standpoint, I wish I invested in back in 2011. You know what I mean? But yeah, anyway. You literally sound clueless. I absolutely am. I'm clueless when it comes to cryptocurrency. I know some of the technical stuff behind it, but in terms of, like, actually being a part of it, like, I don't have, like, I don't spend with it. I don't do anything with it, right? I'm just a software developer. That's kind of where I live. Yeah. Go, go. AI carries me. No one can carry me. Look, no one can carry me, man. Trust, man. Trust. There's no technology. There's no AI. No artificial intelligence for that. Bruh. Yeah, no, yeah, that's what I mean. No one can physically carry me, man. Wait. What college did I go to? So I went to and explain your function. Oh, not another one. Show me your credentials. What can I show you? I have over like 60 repositories. Let me think. I'll show you my n00bz. Well, actually, I'm wrong. I have 61 repositories in GitHub. I'm trying to think of which one do I care to show you? Hmm. VC question mark? What does that mean? Nah, I live in New Zealand. I went to uni in New Zealand. Ugh. A lot of my stuff is like, yeah. Oh wait, depends on what you mean. Do you mean like college, as in? Oh, are you mean like high school? Oh yeah, I went to like multiple actually. I went to Tangaroa College in Otara. Shit, man. Hey, TikToker. My most of my code is like closed source. You know, it's like I've like a lot of my stuff is for clients, so it's like there's some cool stuff, but I can't really show you, and I can't really explain it. I mean, I would love to. And the things that I've built for myself, it's like, you know, those are like side projects I don't really care for. But yeah, I don't know. Don't know what to show you. Secret side projects. Yeah, I'm trying to think of a secret side project that I don't care about. Fuck, I've got so many. You know, I do this a lot. You know, I find myself scrolling through my stuff. Any advice for starters in this area? Yeah, man, start playing around. Start building something. Go on YouTube, go find a little tutorial to start building some tangible thing, and then do it. Actually, I'll show you a project that I just released. Go to learn.datanest.co.nz. So I built this thing. Hold on, let me have a look. Let me show you. OBS, OBS, OBS. Life can be a dream. Let's go browser. And then we'll go Pixel Playground. Okay. Don't mean to get you sidetracked, Docker. Yeah, I know. I am sidetracked. Can you see? Oh my gosh, it's like, yeah, there I am. So here's this thing I built. Let me just. Let me just deal with the proportions. What are your specs? My specs? So, Joey, elaborate on what you mean by that, by the way. Elaborate so I can understand. You iterate over an array, or you get an element and then have reference to previous next element. Oh, you're answering someone's question. Oh, I didn't see that. What is it? Oh yeah, linked lists. Yeah, linked lists are so are cool. I mean, there's so many different different concepts like that. My PC specs. Good question. It's a pre-built. I yeah. I don't know. I'm that's one thing that I need to note down because like you're not the first person to ask me that. Let me think. Let me grab B-top. B-top. So I have a 13th gen i7 13700F 2.1 gigahertz. Is that really true? Let's have a look. Where is it? Life can be a dream. My computer's a shit. Yeah. B-top for the win, eh? B-top, B-top. Yeah, it is. So it's 2.1 gigahertz, i7 core, 32 gigs of RAM, Windows 11. Windows 11 Home Edition? Wow, I'm doing quite well on a Windows 11 Home Edition. I think someone is mirroring my iPhone. Any suggestion on how to handle this? They're mirroring your iPhone? Yeah, restart your iPhone. Turn the internet off. Madi! What did it do? Yeah, so I do. Wow, a lot of my network traffic's going out. Okay, yeah. So I'm gonna turn that off. Yeah. So there's my specs. Graphics card. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4060, and I got about 10 terabytes of storage. Yeah. That's pretty much it. Yeah, if someone's mirroring your thing, I mean, the issue with that is that data's going out of your phone, right? Data's going out of your phone. So if you're scared of someone like using that, just turn the Wi-Fi off. Clip the thing, clip it off. But anyway, I'll explain what this is first, eh? Life can be a dream. Do 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 do. Hold on. I think someone just joined. Oh, someone joined the Discord. What's up? Oh no, not yet. Okay, so so yeah, this is Pixel Playground. I built this because I am teaching a class this Wednesday, and I was like, man, I need a visual, like, with no sign in, no sign in, none of that nonsense. And I just need code, like a place to write code, and a console to output, and a visual thing to kind of get an immediate response to your code, right? And so I made this thing where you can click a tile, right? How to get into your classes. Yeah, so this class I'm doing for a friend. So I'm like gonna be like the professional, like the person who's working in tech, to come in and take a look at or answer some questions, and also go through the fundamentals of coding. And so this is my thing that I built for that class. And how do you get into my classes? I've been thinking about that, like hosting like a Zoom call maybe, and just going through some code. I think I'd love to do that, but I'm just a bit too busy at the moment. Um, yeah, but in saying that, so this is a 10 by 10 grid, 10 by 10 grid of tiles. Each tile you can click on it, and there's a predefined color palette, right, of colors that you can select. So then I can change this tile to red. Then I can change this one to, I don't know, green. Then you can change this one to blue or purple, or whatever. Change this one to yellow or orange or whatever that color is, right? So then, and then so we can actually see here. Hold on. Where is it? And so this code editor part. So I built this last night. Was it last night? Yeah, I built this last night. I guess technically because it's the morning for me. Last night. A couple nights ago. And hold on. Um, so what's the point of this? The point of this is to, I guess, go through certain programming concepts and like, I mean, I'm talking about basic, right? Like the core fundamental, core functionality of, um, do you just program in JavaScript? Mostly TypeScript on the daily, mostly TypeScript and what else? And Kotlin and Swift. Yeah, because I build mobile apps and backend services and all that. I'm actually getting into what language was it? Elixir. I'm having a play around with Elixir at the moment. It's quite nice. Is VS Code good for beginners? Yeah, sure. VS Code is good for beginners. Use it. Thanks for the follow, guys. So no, AI is going to be cool. No. So in here, you can basically, there's a run function, right? So if I go console.log, hello chat, right? Run. Oh yeah, I spelled chat wrong. Hello chat. And so you hear hello chat, and you can see the log here, right? So did you see that? Did you see that, guys? I'm using Monaco. If you guys don't know what Monaco is, basically VS Code in the browser. I guess the editor part. So console.log, and then you go blah blah blah, right? You put in some stuff in there. So I guess programming or like showing examples of code by writing the code and then seeing a console log output, it's kind of not that satisfying. And so what I added a function called set pixel color. And so what this does is it takes a column and a row. So from the top to bottom, if you talk about it as a graph, it's upside down. But so this square is 0, 0. Molly shaking software. Where the fuck the function? I don't know. And so you have 0 here. So this is 0, 0, and this is 0, 1. This is 0, 0. This is 1, 0. And this is 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5, 0, right? Because it's on this is the column at 0 index, at index 0, and row at index 0, and this is column 1 at row 0. So if I go set pixel color 0, 0, and set it to red and run, it sets the thing sorry, Ram. Hi, Ram. Sorry, I'm just in the middle of an explanation. Sorry, gang. Sorry, kid. The brush off is crazy. I'm sorry. I'm just in the middle of explaining something. Now you go, fam. Hey, but also, welcome to the chat, man. I saw your content the other day, and it's yeah. You probably noticed I liked one of your videos. Don't let me disrupt the flow. I'm just being a pest. No, it's all good. If you're anything like my brother Hiram, he it's the same deal. You guys give the same energy. So that will change it to red, and then you can have predefined colors, right? So look, if I press Control Space, do you know what's your fave sorting algorithm? I don't have one. I feel like that kind of question is like because you learned about them. You know what I mean? The default one, whatever dot sort resolves. It must be jacked, nah. More bum jacked, more like nah jokes. Oh, nah. So yeah, you can add it to green, right? And you can go make it amber. What is your favorite insert thing I saw about coding once? Yo, my favorite one is that insert thing about coding that you haven't heard of before. Quantum bogo sort is the only correct answer. Here we go. Here we go. So then you can set it to indigo, for example, right? So then that's the deal, right? That's cool. And now with this kind of setup, you can do whatever you want, right? So for example, you can, I don't know, you go let column is equal to 0, then you go column. If it's less than 10, it's 10 by 10 grid, and you go column plus plus, right? You increment by 1. Then you can set an entire column, right? So, well, we can go column here, and then you can set an entire column like this, and you can go, I don't know, red. Boom. So, sorry, that's an entire row at the first column. But then if you want to switch it, or you want to do all of them, you obviously do another loop, right? Column, oh, sorry, row is equal to 0. And you go row is less than 10 because it's 10 by 10 grid, and you go row plus plus increment by 1, and then you chuck that in there and also do a row in here, right? So then you change them all to red. Change them all to red. You know what I mean? Explain quantum computing right now, or you're all gifts. Quantum computing. Okay, so you know what the D is, eh? Harambe. Harambe. You know what the D is, right? That's D, right? But for you, it'll be a quantum D, right? Because like there's like normal Ds, like that's all of us in chat, right? Normal D, and then for you by yourself, quantum D. Yeah, tiny, small. Quantum D is crazy. Quantum D is crazy. Oh, damn. I'm telling Bishop on you. That is quantum D behavior right there. You're giving quantum D energy. You're giving quantum D energy. But you didn't even pay your tithing. Oh, mate. It's pointy D very low. I know, I did. This is disrespectful, okay? So, like, saying that, right? You take that D energy, right? That quantum D energy, like, saying it is disrespectful. But do like the actions, right? I choreographed it. So it's crazy. No, only when you observe it. That's so good. Oh, I love that. Yes. Your D only exists only when it is observed. Oh, damn. That's crazy. Anyway, so this is just a learning tool I built. Took me like 2 hours to make, by the way. That's how good I am. That's how good I am. Anyway, I'm gonna turn that off. Go back to work. Okay, that's enough. Shush now. Shush now. Oh shit, I'm crying. Pineapple break. Hey, and if you are on that quantum D level, right? You should eat pineapple, okay? Trust. G. Can you see that? There's some pineapple piece, G. Here, have some. Here, have some for your quantum D energy. Schrodinger's D. Yeah. Still on that DJ. I know. This chat is out the gate. Oh crap! Have almost finished this bowl actually. Nothing to see here, Reese. John Smith, is the D dead or alive? Gonna have to check the box to find out. Oh man, hold up. Mm. Let me turn this up. I'm coughing. I had to turn you down so it's not too loud. Oh, that's cool. You got it in terminal. Yeah, cool. I had to, and that's from Twitch. Can you see that? So this is all TikTok chat. That's the whole reason why I did it, because I can see that you're from Twitch. And it's also YouTube as well, but no one loves me on YouTube. Guys, follow me on YouTube because if you follow me and subscribe, I don't care. That's how much I hate this game. I hate social media, man. It's not my bag. It's not my bag. Like, content is fun. Content is fun. Like, I love it because it's funny. You basically just talk shit and have fun, you know? That's cool. But follow me. Nah, I don't give a fuck anymore. I don't care. That's my content. Don't follow me. You're not gonna have a good time. What do you have have on YouTube? Nothing yet. So it's probably nothing to subscribe to. Fuck, I'm supposed to be working. Guys, shush. Shush, guys. Have a good time. What? Um, I'm live on YouTube as well, but no one's live with me. Guys, I'm live, but I'm on my music channel. Doesn't make sense, eh? Yo, guys, make it make sense. Quantum, follow me, please. Follow me a tiny bit, please, on TikTok. Yo, everyone, whoever's looking at Harambe, right? Go follow him. He's a gym rat, right? Before he was a hood rat, right? But now he's gym rat. Gee, you live, but are you alive? Oh, yo, I'm live on YouTube, but dead inside. You know, live on YouTube, live on Twitch, dead in my heart. You know? Live, laugh, laugh. Oh, yeah. Follow Hiram in the chat. I haven't looked at your page though in a while. Let's have a look. He's jacked. Yeah. So if you guys want like hot takes and what else do you do? Hot takes and if you want to see the Quantum D, oh, what the hell, guys? He's got 4,000 followers. We can't have that, guys. We can't have that. 4,000 followers. We can't have that. Hotcakes. You know you're Tongan when he comes in with the. What are you talking about, hotcakes? Is that us? Hotcakes, eh? Horse cakes, yeah. Like the green or so. Yeah, me too. It's like green, but like a little hint of blue in there. So it's giving a little bit of attitude. Work. Toko, yo. Oh, Winston. I built something for your class. Remember how we're gonna do that thing? Well, I built something to help us learn and teach. Now it's my side. Listen, look, and listen and learn. Are you ready? It's now 3 on YouTube. That's crazy. I hate that I know that reference. Oh, I love it. That sounds better than cake. um, Let me show you it. Oh, no spoilers. I'll see you on Wednesday. Um, yeah, I'll explain it to you when I get there. The subscriber count is now 3 on YouTube. Is it? Where? Where? My subscriber count is 8 on YouTube. 8 subscribers. I can't believe it, guys. Screenshot 8 because it's never gonna. Yeah, talk about cliffhanger. He was on the edge of the seat. Okay, what did you build for us? What did you build for us? Nothing. Talk about Cliff Curtis. Is there like hot news about Cliff Curtis? Just have a copy paste. No, no hot news. No hot news. I remember seeing heaps of clips about him getting annoyed about bringing up Uncle Bully. You know, which is fair enough. I mean, like, as an artist, you know, you don't want to be remembered for that. What's your advice on getting started on coding? Action. Styler, action. That's my advice. Action it. Hiram. Hiram. Action, Oh, look, Hiram's coming in clutch with the start. What do you know about coding, Hiram? Still took his smack. Oh, even Winston comes in. Hey, guys, start. Guys, you know what? You know what the best thing to do? Just start, G. Use Nest.js? No, I don't use Nest.js. Actually, Nest.js is I'm like keen to have a look at that, But the issue is that I already have an established framework in TypeScript and in the Node.js ecosystem, so I'm already there, you know. So like Nest.js will just be extra thing. What can you hack? What can you hack? I can hack some stuff. I can explore, you know. Gee, what don't I know about coding? Everything. Oh, damn. Hey, Hiram, do you think you are at my level at the gym where that I am with coding? Do you think so? Do you think we're equals in our fields? Yeah, hey. Tabs keys gotta get past the mainframe. If you want to look at hacker, man, look what I show you. I'll show you my G. If you want to look cool in front of your friends, are you ready? Where is it? Remove? Yes, remove it. Play, go into here, go to window capture, and go hacker. Bam. Guys, if you want to look good, what are you saying? What's the black and orange? I'm stuck here. Oh, no. And this finger style seems key. Oh, yeah, nice. Why is everything green? So if you want to like pretend that you're coding, right? You go to hackertyper.net and then just start typing in there. Guys, you got to hack the mainframe. Actually, make it full screen. Guys, we're nearly there. We're nearly on the mainframe. Guys, we're on the mainframe. So what we're going to do, right, is we're going to really quickly... Guys, you don't know. Oh my gosh, I need help, guys. Someone join in. Can someone join in, please? Just hold key. Nah, you can't hold the key like that. You don't know about what I'm doing, so I'm going to do unassigned account. Because this is actually C++. C++. Hold on. So then what are you going to do? So you're going to instantiate that, and then add a while loop, and then when you go into that, you need to like actually... Oh, because we're going to go through the positioning, right, of the keys. So okay. Oh, so I can see someone talking smack and thing. Then we can find his IP address. So what you do is you're gonna. Oh, Andy's a angry. I hold on, and then you're gonna start this new group. Essentiate this function. You know what's crazy, guys? You know what's crazy? I'm just now realizing, guys, and this is actually insane. I'm now realizing. Fastest code I know. I'm now realizing that. When I went on this website when I was young, this was before I went to uni, before I started coding properly. I was on here and I was just joking around, right? But now that I'm playing around with this, I'm reading the code and I know exactly what's happening in the code. I'm actually like, wow, I can't believe I've come this far. You know, I'm just reading it. I was like, oh, why are they doing that though? Okay, so they're calling that function. What the hell? I just realized that I know how to code. Oh wow, that's actually so good. It's like, oh, I wouldn't have done it like that actually. So you're pushing that thing and you're returning that function as 0. That's okay. And then, oh yep. So that you're exporting that symbol. That's okay. Was this one? Yeah, I am sure. Anyway, anywho, um, remove. TS is hackertyper. I understand. I know. I have come full circle. Remorse. Crazy. Eh? You need to reverse the TCP through the SSL proxy and flag the system for DNS pass-through. I'm going straight. See, spoken like a true gym head healthy person. He needs his 8 hours. He needs his 8 hours. You know? He needs his 8 hours. And it's, that's on God. Even God had a rest. Have a chill night, man. Good luck with your reps tomorrow. Nah, I'm gonna be right there with you. I've been eating clean. Not even lying. None of this like I'm going to do it. Already started 3 weeks in. Use some Wireshark in map. Nah. Thanks for coming through, Hiram. And also, this is I'm supposed to have a chill night tonight. Like, yeah. Anyway, how about I do that? I do that. Okay, so now I'm gonna actually work. Okay, I'll reply to people in chat eventually. Do 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 do. Okay, need some vibes. Need some vibes. Ready? Which one I'm gonna use? Hey. Regular, yeah. I keep forgetting not in love anymore. John Smith. I actually haven't dived into assembly. What do you like using as a front end for web apps? I've been bouncing about languages and kind of want to learn TypeScript to make some kind of API system, but not sure how to present it. Not sure how to present it on the front end. Not assembly, WebAssembly. No, I mean, yeah, that's what I'm saying. I haven't looked into that either. But we can have a quick look. WebAssembly script. Assembly script. A TypeScript-like language for WebAssembly. Oh, it's beautiful. It looks very familiar. WebAssembly. It's all declarative. Oh. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I feel like a lot of the core concepts are the same. Yeah, very cool. I have not had a look at it. Near C++ performance in the browser. That is sick. That is sick, as in it's sickening. Fourth language of the web, my guy. Nice, cool. To answer you, Remorse, on Twitch, what do you like using as a front end for web apps? So I usually like using React for the front end, and more specifically now, in terms of the framework, is Next.js, right? And then Next.js with TypeScript and React for the front end as a front end library. And then in terms of the UI of things, I use ShadCN with Tailwind CSS. So ShadCN, you know, the drop-in components. I love that. I love that ecosystem. You just get like really good, I guess, really good standards up front, right? You know, that's dope how you do this. I was trying to build an auto poster for TikTok, but couldn't. I've actually built an auto poster as well, but it's kind of, you know, I was thinking about that as a philosophy, right? Because obviously you want to automate a lot of your processes, right? You want to do that, but then the whole nature of social media is like, okay, yep, you want to pump out content, but you also want to keep the authenticity. You know what I mean? You want to still keep the authenticity, and you don't want to kind of like convey about, you know, factory regurgitate content. You know, you kind of want everything to be meaningful, you know, intentional and on purpose. So I've kind of come to that conclusion where my content, I mean, I totally can. And I built a thing, like a CLI tool, to like generate content. To like, one, it's like obviously generate and cut content from my own stuff. But then it's like no heart in it. You know what I mean? Yeah, totally. I see what you mean. So if you're talking about just posting horizontally, right, across all platforms, yeah, that's all good. Like there are solutions that already, you know, that allow you to do that, like off-the-shelf solutions. But that's really cool. But Remorse, does that answer your question? So that's what I use on front end. Yeah. And don't you go away, yeah, baby. Express, or would you need Express too? It's a replacement. I mean, you don't use Express with Next.js. Yeah, baby. But hey, Remorse, don't feel peer pressured. Okay, Remorse, don't feel peer pressured to use Next.js. Express is totally fine. Yeah, Express is totally fine. It's performant. You know, it's performant in asterisk, right? It's performant to the point where you can build stuff. Like your stack should be defined by your product, right? It should be defined by what the purpose is. For example, if you're making something just for yourself and only you're going to be looking at it, maybe just like as a random side thing, then by all means, you don't need to like, you know, be crazy about the next new thing, you know. But yeah, if you have the interest and the plan to learn TypeScript more in depth, and then also may as well chuck Next.js on top of that, then by all means go for it. That's what this project is about, actually. Brainy is like, because I have a set of project templates that I use when I am working with clients. Because, you know, when clients ask me to build something for them, I don't want to repeat myself. You know what I mean? I don't want to like build something again. Like I don't want to keep building the same stuff. And most projects, right? Most projects are going to be like, can I have this? And usually there's a database. Usually there's an API. Usually there's, if you're using it, if they're wanting an app, usually there's auth, right? So all of that stuff, all of that nonsense, it's not, like I'm passionate about coding, but I'm not passionate about rewriting all of those things again, you know? Every project, you know? And there's only so much that you can do for setup, right? I'm mainly a hobbyist. I work in IT help desk, but want to move into infrastructure, but enjoy coding as a hobby. So bounce around languages based on different ideas. Nice, that's cool. Mainly only use Python and some Java so far, but I want to get familiar with the browser. I'd love to make a social game in the browser with TypeScript, HTML5, Canvas, or cool little backend systems rather than just general informational sites. Yeah, totally. Awesome. The years of my life I've wasted writing. It. John Smith, what are you talking about? Fourth thing. Oh, right. Check the Doom 3 demo and wasn't. The years of my life I wasted writing it. Gone away, yeah. Do do do. You are the shining star. Don't you go away. Has ChatGPT changed the programming game? Oh, absolutely has. But probably not how you think. Probably not in the way that you think. The beard doko shana. It's changed all games, you know. LLMs. It's changed the game everywhere. Do do do, and I let me have a look at chat. I think ChatGPT is making skilled devs work faster and incompetent devs more incompetent. Gonna see a lot of people needing devs help to fix their AI created issues, I bet. Hey, that's a really good take, and that is so true. How long have you been a software developer, if you don't mind me asking? I don't mind you asking, son. I have been writing code for, I guess professionally for probably around 13 years, almost 14 years now. I have been writing code since I was like 14 though. And that's like, how long is that? Probably like another 5 years on top of that. Yeah, it's like over 20 years maybe. Yeah, or maybe just under 20 years. Twitch. Hey, sup, sire. Looking at the creator dashboard. I've been learning for 2 weeks on my 3rd week. Any tips? Yeah, I have a tip for you. V-Quish. Here's a tip, ready? Don't take holidays. You know? Don't take holidays. If you want to take a holiday, yeah, just know that you're gonna get a holiday amount of outcome. How was it, by the way? What'd you do today? Toys DNS. Lol. What's your favorite personal project you've coded? I get asked this a lot, actually. Let me try and think. I like what do I like? Okay, so here's one. Ready? React HTML and JS. What are you working on? Okay, ... Let me answer this question first. what's your favorite personal project you've coded? Okay, so there's a project, and I've still yet to finish it, but it's a project called Fale. And Fale is means house in Tongan, right? And basically the concept was taking, okay, it's from context, right? So you're aware of Facebook Marketplace, right? In Facebook Marketplace, there are people who sell food on there, right? And they sell food on there, and they make that food in their own kitchen at home. Yeah. I'm a gooner. You're a gooner in the CLI. Sorry, this is so crazy. How do you do this? Do you listen to Fale music? I don't know what that is. So that was one of my favorite personal projects, is Fale, which the idea was to get those businesses on Facebook Marketplace, get them onto this platform, just so that we can help them, I guess, digitize their operation, right? So to digitize their operation. So previously, even right now, it's happening, right? Previously, what they do is they go, hey, so a customer goes, hey, I saw your post on Facebook Marketplace. Can I buy a plate? You know, can I buy a plate? And they go, yes, you can. And then they go, how can I pay you? They're like, transfer your money to my bank account. Because they're not established business. They're not like proper thing. They don't have any or whatever, right? And so they transfer the money to their bank, and then they go and pick up that plate. So that process right there is very, very, it's not a great one, you know? It's not a great one. It's not a good, the process is slow, right? First, they're texting. Their communication methods over text. So Fale was going to be that platform, and can still be, but I just don't have the time. Can be that platform to kind of like digitize that whole experience. So then transforms that Facebook Marketplace restaurant, you know, home business, into a kind of like a nicely automated one, where they can, you know, do online payments, and then they can go and pick up, and then you can actually view the progress of the, you know, the making of the food, the prepping of the food. It's kind of not really. It's not like the payments part is one little slither of the product, right? Yeah. Let me just catch up on these comments. So Shamalka from TikTok says, what would you recommend a junior to do to break into tech? Yeah, I recommend you do something with audacity. You know, you start, first of all, get capability. So right, so get good, learn how to program, right? Learn how to write code, learn how to build something, learn how to build products. Build like one product a day. Obviously, that's going to be really difficult to do, but build something, like continuously build something. And then practice, and then build something that people like and care about, right? Make content around it. Put yourself out there. But if you want like a normal job, you can do all that stuff as well, because that's really cool story. What have you been learning? I've been learning Elixir. I've been learning that language. Just as a thing. I've also been studying some mathematics as well, because I actually really like math, but I haven't had like a minute to read, so I'm just like reading about that. I'm reading some material on math, starting with calculus. It's like one of my favorite subjects. What are you working on? Right now, I'm like, so you guys are seeing my code editor. That's one of my side projects, but I'm actually working on a client. I'm working on client code at the moment, but you can't see that because, yeah, it's client code. So, I'd say I see I see often advice wise, it's better to complete and finish something than creating a ton of half-done projects, even if the end result isn't good. You'll I've completed and stuck with it. That's good advice. Yes, remorse. To like finish something, you know. How long did it take you to learn coding? Savior, is that your name? How long did it take me to learn coding? I guess the core fundamentals, not that long. Maybe like a couple months when I was little. That's what my brother says. Yeah. Never be afraid to ask questions, and practice makes perfect. Look at others' code on GitHub or projects you like. See how they approach problems. That's such a good thing. Remorse is very wise. Answer me, father. Sorry, what did you say? Do you listen to Fale music? I did answer. I don't know what that is. What's Fale music? Well, how did you learn how to do this, broski? Do what? Show the chat in TikTok? Well, I know all of the fundamentals of what makes that happen, right? Like I know the relationship between data and where it lives, and the integration between TikTok and YouTube and Twitch, and how to push all that data and consume that data into a single API, and then that API running locally on my machine, displaying that in the console, right? It's actually not that complicated. Problem I said mainly trying to think of something to make I'll actually like. Oh yeah, nice. Mine is I have too many things I want to work on, you know? I have too many things and there's not enough time. But also I have work to do as well. Like I write code for a living, right? And like people pay me to do that. But also I have I also want to build my own stuff, and then also content on top of that, right? Like live streaming, this is like content, you know, this is content for me. But also I genuinely love talking to people about this stuff. And on top of that, I like talking to people in general, right? But also I don't like, what is it? I don't like socializing, but I do like talking to people. Does that make sense? Thanks for advice, I'll keep that in mind. Shut up. Sure, good luck and keep coding. Do you think AI will take over some programming jobs? Yeah, kind of. Yeah, it will take over some. It will take over. Maybe it'll take over tasks, right? But like, we've always been the drivers. We've always been the driver, right? At the driver's seat. That's what we've always been done. We've always done. And like the technology just keeps getting better. But as the tech improves, our requirements and our expectation of output increases too, right? Because we're just greedy, and we just like keep wanting more and more and more. So it's like, oh, this can do all of this stuff. And so now when I'm thinking about business, right, you go, oh, really? You can do all this stuff now? Cool. Now that you can do all this, I want this now. I want you to build this now. And you're like, oh, okay. So you're always going to move towards, you know, towards something easier. For example, like, you know, the awesome work that's being done with building chips, right? With building what is it? Yeah, building these complicated CPUs, right? And what it takes to build that, like that's capability that no one does anymore, because it's at a process. Only a few people do it. But it's like that process has been fine-tuned over time, right? And now we expect more. We're going to continuously expect more from it, right? Like small groups when I have to... Yeah, me too. Small groups, chill. I don't like concerts. I don't like any of that. Hey bro, I got a diploma in IT support. What would you recommend as a good way to gain experience? I'll gain experience at the end of the sentence. Gain experience? What would I do if I was in your position? and I wanted to gain experience, I would, um, hmm, there's content around that. I'd probably make some content around it. You know, go on social media and then post about it, just to be kind of raw about it, right? That's one avenue you can go down. But if you don't care about that and you want to just have, like, live a functional life, and you want to just, I guess, get a job in the area that you studied for, then maybe go knocking on doors, and like try and stand out a bit. And don't just like drop your CV off or like send an email. Like, do something about it. You know, do something like a bit different, bit out of the box. Yeah, it's probably what I'd do. Yeah. Would you recommend studying coding in school, or is it self-taught enough and then get certificates? Alex, depends on you as a person, I reckon. Because there's some people who can, are real self-directed and they can learn on their own, right? And then there's people who can't, and they need a curriculum, and they need structure, right? And they need to be told exactly what to do, and what's due, and what's required of them, right? That's like not that self-directed, but there's people who can, and that's kind of where I fall under, which is very self-directed with my learning. So it depends, Alex. So it depends on what kind of person you are, and if you are really good at self-directing, right, and understanding and building basically your own curriculum at home, then I think you can totally do that. So I would recommend doing it by yourself first. But then there's a whole issue about credential, right? Building the credential. So I went to school and I got a bachelor's degree, right? So then I have that credential. But like, if you ask me like my experience with getting jobs and that, no one really talked to me about getting about my degree. Like, no one really cares. But maybe I did. I was shortlisted, in my experience. Maybe I was shortlisted because of it. So there's that whole song and dance. But like, if you were to convince, basically it's like a convincing type thing. But there's other things, there's other ways you can convince people to hire you, right? Not just, here's my degree. So you could also lead with your work, lead with your work and go, hey, so this is what I built. For example, you can have something that showcases your ability to create apps, or your ability to create front end experience, and you can showcase that in a unique way that's unique to you, and you host it somewhere, or you host the GitHub repo somewhere, right? And then you send it to them and say, hey, or maybe specific to that company, and go, hey, look, I made this better for you. This is what I thought about your company, and I was thinking about this, and here's a feature that I wrote for you. Some kind of genuine story, some kind of genuine story around that to convince. Remember, trying to convince someone to be like, wow, or like give that guy another second look, like, wow, that's cool, interesting. Like, he wrote that, he did that. Why did he do that? Like, opens up that conversation. John Smith has taken over my technical writer's job. That's good. I mean, it's good to the point where, like, I guess, I don't know, it's like a self thing. I like small groups, yeah, same. It's good advice. John Smith, I used to do it from local model reading the code. Oh, nice. What are you working on, Docker? I am, so what you're seeing here, this README file is basically one of my side projects, but you guys are on the side of my computer, and I'm just live streaming while I'm trying to work, but it's too noisy in chat, so I'm like distracted. Nova Scotian sent me a rose. How did you do that? I didn't even notice that. So I'm working on client code at the moment. AI can now code you a website, mostly just portfolios, but you still have to do stuff in the back end. Yeah, AI is kind of, I don't know. Depends on how you use it, right? If you want to go, make me website, give it no context at all, it's going to be garbage. It's going to be hot garbage. But if you give it the best context, right? If you give it the best, juiciest context you can, then it will give you something that you can throw in the rubbish still. But then you try the second time, then maybe it will give you something decent, right? Reminds me when they built the website that does background check on men from Tinder. They built you're talking about that T app. You could use VirtualBox at home and make 2 VMs. Yep. A user's machine, one a domain controller, watch a video on configuring Windows Active Directory, install Windows Server, or you could look at Linux. What you're responding to who? Oh. Interesting. It built with AI but didn't secure the database. Yeah, I know. Firebase. Thanks, Firebase. I think learning is both class and self teaching. Oh, yep. So if you want to do it like that, then you can do it like a combination of both. If you operate under both learning styles, go to class and self teach. I mostly just self learn. You know, I learn by experimenting and like testing it for myself, and then coming to the conclusion whether it's whether it's useful for me. Because I'm just a curious guy, you know. I'm curious on all things tech, really. Prompt engineering, nice. Yeah, public S3 bucket. To be a lawyer, my dad was a software engineer, a BA in law, and 2 years as a lawyer. I realized I never wanted to do it. I love law, man. I love law, because ultimately I love arguing. I think arguing is so fun because like you're just talking about the truth, you know, and I would love to do that, but like again, it's kind of like another one. Oh, not the yawning. Now I'm a dev and it's fun every day. Nice. John Smith, nice. People forget that prompting an AI is a skill they need to learn. Yep, I think it is a skill. Being able to articulate yourself to the point where you can give enough information to an LLM that will serve you, you know, and like help you in that process. Time for a lunch break. Thanks for sharing the knowledge, brother. We'll keep an eye out with your next stream, or if you're around in an hour, I'll tune in. Thanks, Remorse. Yo, Remorse. Thanks for tuning in, man. You're like you're really intelligent. I can tell that you know your stuff. Thanks for joining. I'll see you later if I'm still online. And coding is fun. Be a good second option. Yeah, true. Yo, I'm starting software engineering next year, bro. I don't have much experience in coding though. That's all good. You'll get experience, right? If you're starting software engineering next year, just try and savor the learning, okay? Learn with intention, learn with purpose, right? Don't just like download. When you learn something, play with it, you know, practice it. Like try and understand it to its core, yeah? Do you always work overnight? What are your hours? Man, my work hours are all over the place, you know? I mostly love working at night, you know? Less distractions. I mean, on a live stream, it's not really true. I mean, I'm being distracted this whole time. How long have I been live for? I've been live for almost 2 hours. Haven't written a line of code yet. I mean, what am I supposed to do? So, guys, I really do want to be live still, but I mean, but I can't, you know, I can't continuously talk to you guys. Maybe we'll have like a what is it? Like a on and off thing, maybe an hour. I was trying to think about this going forward because I want to go live almost every day, you know, while I'm working. Oh. Would it be beneficial to get a head start now with the basics? Yeah, go for it. Yes, it would be beneficial. Learn as much as you can. Any advice for uni students graduating soon to get into the industry? Make yourself, what is it? What's your name? Vaughn. I guess make yourself stand out a bit in terms of what you've done, like your public profile, right? So go to like GitHub, and then make sure your GitHub's set up to a point where if someone was to look at it, they'll go, "Oh, really cool," you know? Like, "Wow, this is really cool." Like, what have you done? Like, what code have you committed that people can look at and go, This guy is really good." We teach coding fundamentals here. Not in this stream. This stream is a work stream, okay? Maybe I'll add that because this stream is a work stream. So maybe I'll add that here. Okay, so we'll go streaming. Tino's stream. Today's stream is a work stream. Oh, we'll go type. Let's be nerdy about it. Work stream. So I mean on your page. Yep. Oh, will I? Yeah, maybe I'll pump out content that is specifically. That'd be cool if you did make a YouTube channel. Yeah, I don't intend, like, my intention wasn't to like kind of build tutorials or whatever. I mean, that could be another avenue or project in itself, to like a content project. But I'm working on something else at the moment, which is to do with my journey as a software developer, right? And like behind the scenes of like coding, like for real, like in real life, you know, and like building products in public. How about we do this? Watch me while I work on code for clients. Yeah. What the heck is coding? Dead serious, what is coding? That'd be awesome, bro. Yeah, it would be, What the heck is coding? Basically, it's like you write instructions in a file. Like you write instructions, right? And you send those instructions to a computer and go, "Hey, computer, do this. Do this, please." And you're programming, right? So programming is like literally a set of instructions. It's the action of you writing those instructions, right, in a logical order. And you're going like, "This is the," and it's gone so long. We've been in programming has been a part of life for so long that now there's a lot of advancements, right, in programming. It's really cool. Nice. Oh my god, wicked. That is so interesting. Glad I came across your live, me brother. Nice, Nessa. Yeah, if you are actually interested in it, then like you can watch my stuff for like the content of it. And if you want to code in that, there's heaps of material online. And I guess now I'm gonna have to start writing tutorials. Now I'm gonna have to teach it. Damn. I'm actually happy I found you. Now gonna keep up with the account for inspo. Nice. Shot Commander Fries. Yeah, so I'm gonna try and I'm gonna work. Not try. Sorry, I will be releasing more content soon. Yes, for your YouTube channel. Yeah. So there's other ideas too, because it's mostly like behind the scenes stuff. Um, let me see if I can find an example. Because my brother sent me something. Because he's gonna like do my editing. Let me have a look. Oh, I think I downloaded it actually. Where are you? Sort by type. Is this it? Fuck, that was loud. Sorry, guys. Did you guys shit your pants too? Sorry, guys. Just watch one of your clips and you from Mangry Crazy, Mangry East here. Oh, nice, yeah. I'm from Mangry. Oh, well, I was raised there, I guess. My family still lives there. Just off Wickman. Yeah, I know you know what Wickman is. Just by the Wickman Bakery. Oh, the Wickman Way Bakery, so good. Not me wanting a mud cake now. Banana cakes, yeah, banana cakes on. Wow, man, I'm fat. Gee, where did it go? Is it videos? Yeah, I can't find it there, so I'm gonna have to try and take a look at this. Let's have a look. It's pronounced. It's pronounced mangry. It's pronounced mangering. That's pronounced mangere. Lol. Hey. I need to post those clips. I did a stream. When was it? Yesterday? Did a stream yesterday, and it was fucking crack up. Damn, where is it? I'm scrolling up a conversation between me and my brother and trying to find this video. Gee, where is it? Man, we talk so much. Grey Avenue. They're off that. They're off. Yeah, close to there. If you guess it, I'll say yes or no. Boo. 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 Boo.
Last night I dreamed that you were here with me, and we were in each other's arms. It was all so heavenly. You held me close to you and whispered in my ear, let's build a life together, share love.
Apollo Greed. Okay, first Polynesian coder, nice bro. Based Mossad agent Jewiel. Nice. Spider. Oh, from Spider Town. Nice. First Polynesian coder? Definitely not. I know some Polynesian coders. My dad was a coder. Still dabbles. Let me just take a look at this. VLC. So do you want a preview? Guys, do you want a preview of my YouTube content? Um, so here's a snippet of it, right? Oh wait, hold on. What the hell? I've never seen. Can you see it? No, you can't. What the hell? What the helly? Maybe. Hold up. Delete VLC. As long as it's not quantum content. No. Oh, VLC video source. Here we go. What's this about? No way. Wait, stop when not visible. Restart when visible. Pause when not visible. Unpause. Always play even with. Okay, stop when pause. Go add files. Well, no way. This looks cool. So I'm just discovering an OBS feature. Wow. Don't lip it. I've never seen anyone do this before, but I have a band. No, I have a little brother. Okay, I have heaps. Because I need to start it, but I can't hear it. I've never seen anyone do this before, but I have a band. No, I have a little brother. Okay, I have heaps. That's trash. Okay, hold on. Let me see this properly. Hold up. Okay, let me delete that. Let me try adding it as a window, because I have VLC up right here. He's a programmer but can't play a damn video. Oh my days. Let's capture a whole ass display. Let's try this. This one? Primary monitor? This one. Okay, so you can see it. Can you see that now? Oh, but it's a bit weird though. There you go. Oh, but then I don't like the ratio there. Oh my days. The thing is, like, I don't want. Let me minimize that stuff. There you go. Minimize that. Really, guys? Oh, but I hate these, man. Oh my god. I can never be pleased. Anyway. So it's a series called On the Back End, right? And look, that's the title screen. Ready? I've never seen anyone do this before, but I have a band. No, I have a little brother. Okay, I have heaps of family. I have a Hiram brother, which is the guy who's recording this right now, and I have a Mosiah brother. Mosiah, he is like me. He's interested in coding, like I am. I was like, man, because I run this company, right? I run my company called Data Nest, and I've started this company in 2017. The idea behind Data Nest was basically. Anyway, so that's the first little snippet of it, but it's gonna be like a monthly roundup. So we're gonna shoot heaps of content, and I have heaps of content to edit, right? And it's like gonna be like one video every month of like us building stuff, um, with me and my brother, and then my other brother editing. We're basically a whole ass company. But yeah, that's what the content's looking like on the back.
I've never seen anyone do this before, but I have a pen. No, I have a.
It's giving documentary, you know. So anyway, I gotta kill that. Do 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 do. Pineapple. F11. F11. Apple Pen song, not the Apple Pen reference. Yeah, so there's some stuff in the works, right? And I'll be posting some stuff. But right now, I am supposed to be coding. What's the time? Almost 2:30. Ay ay ay. Guys, I think we've just discovered, right? Thanks for the follow. We're now we're learning that I can't work. Yeah. Just a little bit of nighttime, night modey thing going on. Yeah, I think we've just learned from tonight's thing. So I've been live for over 2 hours, and I don't think I can actually be productive. I can't work while I'm live. You know. How can I work? Because I want to be productive while I'm live streaming, but how can I do that when I'm too busy talking to people? Maybe I should be a bit more strict, and like when I first start, like I'll have this text here, right? You know what I mean? Like I have this text here, so I go, watch me while I work on code for clients. So maybe I go, what I say, like maybe shush for 2 hours. Or maybe shush for 1 hour, and then I'll do a 15-minute or 30-minute Q&A. You know what I mean? How I do this. Okay, bolos. Okay, bolos for you. How I do this. Sure, that will work. That won't work. You know that won't work. Oh. So shush for 1 hour, 30-minute Q&A. Then shush for another hour. And then 30-minute jokes, 30 minutes for jokes. I don't know. What do I do? Guys, what do I do? Any recommendations? How am I gonna combat that? What are you doing? I'm just I'm trying to work, but also I want to go live because I want to talk to people on here and also build a community. And if you want to join my community, it it's here. Why not disable comment or chat and have a text or handwritten note on screen? Yeah, I was thinking about that. That's what I was talking about. Like having thing on here like that, and then maybe describe the process of what you are doing and what language you are coding in at the moment. Yeah, but the thing is, I'm not. They won't be able to see any of my code, because it's private. Yeah, but I get what you mean. But yeah, I like your ideas on doing that. But I don't know about disabling the comment section. Do you think that's weird? Should I disable the Is that possible? He's a programmer, but doesn't think it's possible. I know it's possible, but research it out. Ah, I see. More chat settings. Here you go. Ready? Allow comments. See, I can disable it, but like, what are we? No, that's a terrible idea. Silencing it, silencing us. Yeah, see, that's kind of weird. I don't really want to silence you guys. Okay, here's the thing. How about? I think I have an idea. What do you think of this? Right? What if I built a thing that collected all the comments, right, while I'm working, all the comments while I'm working, and then when I jump off, oh, there's too much to go through though. How or maybe just summarize it. We build a bot to work for you, but the thing is, I want it to be genuine. Like I want it to be genuinely me. I could send it to Gemini. I could send your comments to Gemini and then answer you. Get a clone, mate. I can do that. Text to speech with Megan Fob. Keen. I want to do that. I see some content use gifts to ask questions. Oh, you mean yeah, I see. You see some content creators use gifts to ask questions. Nah, I don't want to incentivize them people spending money, on that. I'd rather not get them to spend money. But the sad truth about that is that if my numbers aren't up, so like if I don't say, hey guys, go and gift or whatever, I get punished, right? I will get punished in the TikTok algorithm, which is fine, which makes sense. But that's just the unfortunate truth. Because like, why would TikTok give me or like improve my presence on their platform if I'm not making them money? Because my TikTok channel is just literally just serving me and my audience, right? Like I'm not promoting anything. I don't have any sponsorships, and I don't ever have a desire to even have that stuff. I just want to talk to people, and I guess the monetization that I'm okay with is if I build something you genuinely want to use, and that you like, or like even if it's like private content, because that's an idea that I've had, which is like maybe a subscription thing. I don't know how that's going to work, but then you can have access to, for example, me and my brother, we have stand-up meetings every morning, and I'm recording every one of those. And I guess if people are interested and they want to subscribe to my content, then they can have private access to all of those stand-ups. And if they want to go through and browse and and like actually see the behind the scenes of us building a product together. Yeah. In saying that though, I won't disable chat, right? But I think right now I will end the live and I will go live tomorrow and I will implement what we've discussed here, which is I will put on a thing so I can go live but also work and have like a text on the screen explaining what is happening and why I'm ignoring everybody, you know? But the chat is open because the chat being open is good because everybody can comment, but there's other people in chat that can answer because I get that all the time, you know. I have thanks for the follow. I have a lot of dev friends who jump on here and then they like are watching me, but then they also can answer people in chat because they're also developers. And so I'm like, yeah, that's cool. Like I'm all good with that. But maybe I'll have to add an AI Tino voice text, but that will speak fast though. Yeah, true. Or tomorrow Tuesday. Uh, Today is Tuesday. I mean today when I wake up. If I go to sleep. How many languages do you know? A handful. Probably like eight or 10 languages. If you're talking about programming languages, 8 to 10. Talking about communication languages, like normal, languages. One. I know one language. It's sad. I want to change it though. Anyway, in saying that, thanks for joining. Thanks for the banter, as usual. We are out the gate with our humor, our banter. Love it. Love the cheekiness. I love the haters when they come through. There was one hater tonight that was kind of, they always go down the route of like, kind of like testing what you know. So it's like they try and come in here with, authority and go like, you don't know anything. Prove to me that you know something. And I like those ones because it's like, who the hell are you? And first of all, I don't have to prove to you anything. Like, and you are, And also, I'm not very sensitive. So there's not many things that people can say, if anything, right, that will affect me. But yeah, I've seen sometimes my chat gets a bit angry, because they're like, who the hell are you? Like, or like, you need a mod. I don't care. I don't care what they're saying, man. They're like, say the most out the gate stuff. I'm like, that's not out the gate. You don't know me, man. You don't know me. I've said way worse things. Whatever you can say, double it and give it to the next person. Because that's me. That's me. Right now, this is my public facing me. This is like, the Quantum D will be reoccurring callback for so many streams. Yeah, it will be. Yo, the Quantum D, really good bit. I love that. Oh, I'm joining the Quantum D club, G. Maybe that's our thing, John. Maybe that's our thing. That's our chat, man. Quantum D, yeah, man, have to. I'm gonna hide the corned beef. How's it? How's it for out the gate? Please don't do that. Don't hide the corned beef. Actually, like corned beef's nice, but like it has to go with something, like a shit ton of silver beet or something, or cabbage, because it's such a rich meat. I don't know how big it is, and at this point, I'm too scared to observe it. I don't want to observe it. It's both. I'm both turned on and off at the same time until you observe me, and then I finish. Rice and tomato sauce, always nice. Yeah, that sounds good. Rice and tomato sauce. Don't observe me, man. I'm gonna finish. Don't observe me. I have resolved, Next time you're in that mode, right? Yell out, quickly yell out, I've resolved. Okay? That's the new one. That's the new one, G. Yo, my Quantum D resolved, my guy. Hey, John, that's enough, eh? That's enough, eh, John? Oh, man, my cheeks are dead tonight. My cheeks are gone, G. That's what she said. My cheeks are gone, G. Oh, fuck, man. Anyway, thanks for the banter, guys. Oh, I'm still gonna be thinking about that Quantum D all night. Oh, but yeah, I do need to leave because I need to work, and I'm probably gonna work for the next 2 hours and see how much I can get done. Get some sleep, brother. Yeah, I'll probably sleep in a few hours because I'm kind of nocturnal, but also I don't sleep much, so I'll probably get like maybe 3 hours sleep tops, and then do it all over again. But yeah, I'll go live. I'll try and go live as soon as possible. So maybe it'll be like a 10 a.m. or 11 a.m. stream. These are the most productive hours for a program for it. They are, man. Honestly, I build my best stuff at night and in the AMs. You know, so I just feel nicer. It just feels like, oh man, everything's dark mode. Everybody's not buzzing around. You know, like in my area, like if you think of everyone as bees, right? They're not buzzing. They're just sitting there. You know, and like the energy's not like. What am I talking about? What the fuck you got me talking about, John? These are the absolute masterpieces are done at 2 a.m. Yeah, absolutely. Absolutely. I've written my best songs at these hours. Yeah, man. Thanks. I'll chat to you guys later. Have a good night. Yeah, hopefully we'll do more streams. Hey, what are you're still out. Nice. Vkish. Yes, see you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I'll see you guys online next time. Peace. You know, it takes me a while to end stream because I have to end it on TikTok, end it Twitch, end it on YouTube, and so you'll see me live going like, okay, click that button, click that button. So it's never graceful. I need an outro, you know? I need an outro. Anyway, that's a task for another AM session. Anyway, peace out, guys. Bye TikTok first. TikTok's ending first, okay? Peace TikTok. Actually, no, we'll end TikTok last. Okay, first of all,